All right, on the parabola, so I think this was pretty similar to what you'd had on the quiz. Probably easiest to work with the vertex form since you know the vertex on here. And if you substitute in the h and the k for the vertex, you almost have an equation, but you need a value for a on there. So some of you got it to here and just didn't put in a. To figure out a value for that parameter a, you can substitute in a point. The only other point you know is the 0, 7. And if you solve for a, you get a is equal to 2. So you can put that in for a, and there's the equation. And this was a good place where some of you showed your work and just did a careless mistake solving for a, and then I could give you most of the credit on that.
How many points is this one?
It's worth 3 points. The point value for each problem is always circled to the left. On the next one, this one really wasn't a time value of money. Some of you plugged into the formula with compound interest. This was really more just a exponential decay, and each time you're going to have a 2.8% decrease. So each time that growth factor or multiplier would be 97.2% of what you had the time before on here. So you could work this out longhand every time you do 97.2%, but you would do that 12 times on here. So you end up with like $22. And I think some of you may have done this with continuous growth where you used like e to the 0.028 and you get most of the credit there. Okay, any questions on that page?